Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Coast Starlight with service to Seattle. At this time, conductors are coming for the train collecting tickets, so please have your ticket out for collection. This says sign up in the top left corner. Please sign. A few things about the train. First of all, starting at the back of the train, the coaches. There are 3 coaches on the rear of the train, the 11, the 12, and the 13. So after your ticket has been taken and you go exploring the train, know which seat number you're in, know which coach number you're in, because believe me, they all look alike. The restrooms are located on the lower level of each coach back there. Most importantly, there is a safety brochure located in the seat pocket in front of you. And we encourage everybody to know where your emergency exits are at all times. Please use handrails wherever possible, going up and down the stairs and moving from car to car. And you must always wear your shoes when walking about the train. If you're located in the sleepers, there's the 30, the 31, and the 32. And there are big numbers at the entrance and end of each coach on all these trains. So know which coach number you're in, know which room number you're in, because they also look alike. The 1410 is the crew car. That's inaccessible to only for the crew only. Our first station stop today is going to be Van Nuys in about 23 minutes, and at all station stops you cannot detrain from the lounge car, from the parlor, or the diner. You must return back to the coaches or up to the sleepers to detrain at any of the station stops. This is a non-smoking train. We do have smoke stops along the way, and so Santa Barbara will be our first smoke stop, and that should be about 12:45. So if you want to detrain, you'll need to return back to your coach or your sleeper accommodation. As Deborah mentioned, someone's going to be coming around in a few minutes taking lunch reservations. So please remain in your seat or have your window open if you're in the sleeper.
This is so super annoying.
Lounge car will make their opening announcement shortly. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask any of the uniformed personnel. They'll be more than happy to assist you. Van Nuys will be our first stop in approximately 20 to 23 minutes. Thank you.
Take us out,
Parking, clear Capital 3.
What time is it? I can drop you at Santa Barbara, so you can go make that 15 minutes.